It's actually not just about 3D printing. It's about the experience.
3D printers can be finicky. It's fantastic when they work, but frustrating when they don't.
We have high standards, which is why we spent 2 years developing the next generation HOTEND. A HOTEND that makes printing consistently reliable and enjoyable across all skill levels. We have high standards, and so should you. Packed in as short as 39 millimeters and weighing only 16 grams, PICO Hybrid is modular, so it can function as multiple HOTENDs in one. Swappable between PTFE and all metal for jam-free printing of PLA all the way up to peak, or 3mm and 1.75 filaments. PICO Hybrid's aluminum block with a 40-watt heater is balanced for precision and fine detail printing up to 300 degrees Celsius, while the PICO Hybrid's stainless steel block and powerful 60-watt heater are optimized for high-flow printing up to 500 degrees Celsius. These features combined with our versatile mounting options make PICO a truly compact and multifunctional HOTEND.
We spent thousands of hours and sleepless nights developing PICO Hybrid. On top of thermal simulations, which we've been doing for years, we added airflow simulations. This proved that blower fans are better in this application, giving us a sharp transition zone. Incredibly, we were able to increase the performance while reducing size compared to the original PICO.
When B3 first came to us with their new HOTEND, they wanted us to test it and run it through its paces. They performed at the level we expected. No failures to date with 100 units out.
Thermal simulations propelled us miles ahead of the competition. Now we are galaxies ahead with the Force Test Stand, which helps us better understand what is actually happening inside HOTENDs. The most common issues are related to jamming or extreme force to extrude. It's time someone quantified this data, not just make assumptions. And to no surprise, PICO Hybrid requires the least amount of force to extrude, validating our design.
We didn't want to miss the small details, so we put PICO Hybrid through a rigorous beta program for the past 9 months. There are over 100 beta units already in the field.
The main thing I like is the reliability of it. The HOTEND really performs great. If there's an issue, it's interchangeable. You can quickly remove the nozzle if you have an issue. It's petite. The fans, it's really dedicated cooling. Before the previous HOTENDs we have, they were not designed with as much precision, so I can really appreciate that attention to detail that B3 put into designing this product. The PICO Hybrid really plays to all types of users, and being that our company is so diverse, a beginning user has no problem running the PICO, all the way up to an advanced such as the military who would want to run things like carbon fibers, nylons, etc.
We are ready to go, and we've been developing great relationships with our local manufacturers since our first campaign. We want to thank the backers who helped us more than triple our goal on our first Kickstarter. Join us in revolutionizing the 3D printing industry again with PICO Hybrid, raising standards for everyone.